pickup line. This is to say that you guys are all big deals out there. Here we go. Daddy always told me not to give my heart away to boys who soon let back and cool, play the most and let the gap go so I never really do this. But boy, you seem so shy, so let me make it easy, yeah, to help you break the ice tonight. Every time you smile, I fill up with butterflies. Oh, and I know that I catch you on a line, but I'm not looking at any other guy. So, well, I don't know if you know, but I'm kinda a big deal. Someone that your friends might say, don't let that one get away. I don't know if you know, but I'm kinda a big deal. So hold me in your arms tonight, 'cause I could be your Mrs. Right. Daddy, please forgive me, but I gotta do what I got to do. Boy, I had to let you know, I noticed you a while ago. You better stop me for this opportunity walks out the door and ask me what my name is, or something clever if you like, or start by saying hi, just say my name right, because I wanna keep the conversation late into the night. Every time you smile, I fill up with butterflies. Oh, and I know that I catch you on a line. I'm not looking at any other guy, so but I don't know if you know, but I'm kinda a big deal. Someone that your friends might say, don't let that one get away. But I don't know if you know, but I'm kinda a big deal. So hold me in your arms tonight, 'cause I could be your Mrs. Right. Ooh, I could be your Mrs. Right.